Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings in order to find the apps section, which is right here. So let's tap on it. And now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. At the very bottom of the list, we've got a reset app preferences option, so simply tap on it. And now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any existing app data. So if you are ready, just tap on reset. And actually, that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.